This is what I want you to do. Okay? You take your right hand, left one, then you put the back of your right hand into your left hand. And this is how when you fall in, you see my fingers are not like this. It's a discipline, keep the fingers together. One day I can identify who's going to have arthritis when they are old. If you have your fingers like this. Keep it together. And there's also a position where it should be. You see here? So this is how you fall in. Can you stand up? All of us, stand up. Woo! You are in trouble with me, eh? Lady, let's have the bubble gum. I'm going to take it out and I will put it and make it an ear plug. If you are chewing in my hand, I put it in your ear. No chewing, okay? Maybe after this I must check at the bottom of the benches how many bubble gum is in. Alright, so that was the position. So teachers, I want you just to check that they are doing it right. So I don't want you to stand like this. It needs to rest. Yes, your lower back. And this is where your butt starts now. It needs to rest there. Those of you that have, it will be okay. It will rest on there. Okay? The right one, you lock your thumb like this. I don't want you to stand like this. You don't stand like this. This is the position. Okay? Teachers, you must help me. If you do it right. Especially in the training class. So this is the position. So when the instruction comes, squat! Remember, we are like this now. So all that you do, you know where you get. So you flex your elbows, your arms like this. So you are there. Squat! Down. Is it okay? Yes. Remember, so your posture kicks in. So that's the time that we start with our business. The two of them, as you work, I want you to see what they are doing, and you do the same. Is it okay? I'm giving you the theory now. When we are outside, we are going to do the real stuff. Squat! As you work, I want to see movement. Squat! As you work, you must concentrate. How old are you today? 40. This year 50? 40. Next year 50. I must leave my number to you. You follow me when you turn 50. Because there's two questions that I'm going to ask you. The one question would be, are you chatting to a lady? Because that's the age that it's okay. It's normal. There was a problem with me. I only showed interest in the lady.